Aside from using candle in sealing the nut of the tie cord, actually there's also another way of sealing this one, cutting as well as sealing it using the hot knife. The actually the hot knife that we are talking, instead of me cutting this one and then burning it to seal the nut, I could use what we call the hot knife. Actually, it's a thermal cutter. It is using electricity, and but you have to invest. This is what we call a hot knife. You can easily cut it here. Actually, once you cut it, it's already sealed. Okay, there you go. Then just put it there, and that's it. Lesser hassle. But in my case, it looks like I'm not very used to this hot knife yet. I'm used to using the candle, but this is much better than the candle actually. But you always have to see to it that you have a cup or holder, because oops, this hot knife is supposed to have a holder, but I haven't purchased it yet, so I'm just using a ceramic cup as my holder for this hot knife. See, it's very easy, and you just seal it. That's it. It's faster. Actually, it's way faster than using a candle. If you are in a hurry or you're in the production type of making tie cord, which is very more efficient. If you are just going to leverage, if you are going to make the production of tie cord way faster, more efficient, then you have to invest in this equipment. It's way, actually, it's the way I look at it, it's way safer. I'm just not used to it yet, because this is the second time I use the hot knife. Actually, I could just seal it like that. There you are. Seal. Sealed without cutting. You notice you just have the smoke, but I have the ventilation fan with me, and I could use this as well. I have a fan here, and I don't need a candle. See? No burning. Just you just have the smoke. If it is if the cord is the extra cord is too long, then you just have to cut it with a hot knife. Let us say this one here. Let us say we want this certain. You just have to cut it with the hot knife. You'll seal it. See? Easy peasy.